Track K2 2-axis CNC knee mill with the ProtoTrack SMX control. Have a program in here to show some simultaneous movement of the table. That will be moving in 4 directions. In DRO mode, we have jog and X. So jog, X, minus, Y, and then PRO on the quill. Bringing on the power feet of the knee, that's power elevation. Slowing it up, going slow, changing direction, the knee's going down, speeding up, slowing down, and then bringing on the head. Variable speed, nice and quiet. Also has power drawbar, 9x49 table, came out of a laboratory in a major research facility in the Northeast. That's a ProtoTrack K2.